I say we gotta just go for the fun play. That's what this deck is about. Yeet. All those sound effects. Alright. Let's do it. What do we get, baby? Holy well. Not bad. This is a 50-50 to go either way. Better or worse. Oh, that Hadronox was so good. Oh wait, I have lethal, I think. See, when I do play Wave of Nostalgia, I do win the game. Hey guys, how's it going? It's Maestro here, and we're here with a deck overview of the Transformation Shaman, or the Evolved Shaman. This time we are including the new Wave of Nostalgia. This is great if you have a wide board of minions. You can get the most advantage out of this card when you have a wide board and the opponent doesn't. Obviously that's not always the case, but it can also be used to like kind of counter any like minion buffs that your opponent has, or just as a Hail Mary play if you want to somehow maybe transform your minions into something good to help swing the game, which actually did happen a few times for me. So it's actually, I would say this is playable. I have won games playing this card. And since we're going with the whole transform theme, I also decided to include an Excavate package because of course we all know that the Azurite Murloc will also transform all of the minions. And then kind of underpinning all of this, we have the Elemental package, just because Elementals have generally been good for Shaman in terms of tempo and board pressure. So that's pretty much the idea, is we're kind of pressuring the opponent with elementals, and then if we need to kind of swing the board or just need a Hail Mary play, we have Wave of Nostalgia and like Surf and Lee. So I actually created some interesting games, and I hope you guys enjoy.
Brawl versus Rexa!
Let the hunt begin for Doomhammer.
One dose solves any problem.
I love a little fiddle.
There's little time. No one's going to believe this. Wind and brass. Blown away. Blown away.
One dose solves any problem.
I think we should just go Shutter Block. Excavate 3 things.
My eyes are flame, my cursed blade.
There we go. What if I Shutter Block on this Azurite Murloc? I kind of want to try the Shutter Block Azurite Murloc. I feel like it'd be interesting, you know?
Our adversaries will know our rage.
Should we just go for it? Alright. Let's do it. What do we get, baby? Holy smokes. That's not bad. Oh. Well. Not bad. Lifesteal. Oh my goodness. Ratham. Craziness. Wait, let's get this.
It was made just for me.
Oh my gosh. 2 mana 6/5. Lovely. Alright, that's pretty good. Pretty good. How do I want to do this? There are not a lot of good demons. Just being honest. Oh, this thing has Wind Fury. Alright, we're good. Alright, nice.
Thrall versus Tyrande.
You give me strength.
For Doomhammer.
Oh wow. That's pretty good.
My power is as infinite as the stars.
Take shelter!
The Titan's blade shall never die! Pressure builds. Magma rises.
Take shelter!
If we don't full clear, we get a very nice wave of nostalgia.
My power is as infinite as the stars.
Oh, 3 there. Oh, they have 2 of them, I guess. Should we just go for it?
Take shelter!
I say we gotta just go for the fun play. That's what this deck is about. Yeet! Holy smokes. All those sound effects. What is this? Okay. Wait, what is this?
Brilliant.
He got this thing. I think we just pass. What? Rude. Spell damage.
Candle mud slider. Candle mud slider.
Nice.
Wind and breath.
This is our boosted, the boosted one. Oh, wow. They get the Aegwin buff. Two damage. Oh, these aren't elementals.
Everything will be
infinite as the stars.
Versus Lunara!
The forest fights back.
For Doomhammer.
Dragon Druid.
The calm before the storm. The calm before the storm. Take shelter!
Stay alert, my children. Danger awaits.
Fill the skies
Huh.
with a cascade of sparkles.
Interesting.
I will not weather away so easily. There is little time.
Yeah, these aren't elementals. They're undead beasts. Wait, why is that so strong? Oh. Huh. Well, this is a 50-50 to go either way, better or worse. All the sound effects at the same time. I think I got better. Wait. Do they just have lethal? They're very close.
Shang is only good for smashing!
Time goes fall short.
Wind and brass. Wind and brass.
The Hadronox will resummon them, actually.
Blown away. Blown away. Blown away. Blown away. Blown away! Blown away! Blown away!
Oh, the Hadronox was so good. They don't run swipe, do they? If I somehow come back from this. Last time.
I can't win them all.
Oh, the Hadronox saved me.
Thrall versus Gul'dan.
Your soul shall be mine for Doomhammer. Wind and brass. Blown away. Blown away.
Wave of Nostalgia next turn?
Candle butts lighter.
I guess not.
Candle butts lighter.
Elements guide me. Elements guide me.
Oh, well, some useful value there. See, Wave of Nostalgia is good.
Your fate will be cut short.
We can get rid of all these pesky minions that they have.
The calm before the storm.
All the sound effects. But this one is good for them. Oh. Oh wait, yeah.
By the elements combined.
Drink with me, friend.
Candle much lighter.
Jerry is 6 mana, right? Oh, there we go.
This train stops for no one.
Alright, let's see if this does anything. Oh, wow.
Wind that breath. Always live high. Blown away.
Oh, that's the snake.
Such a perfect specimen.
It's still 4 mana.
Who's ready for another round?
Oh wait, I have lethal, I think. Because of this card. See, when I do play Wave of Nostalgia, I do win the game.
Thrall versus Malfurion.
Cenarius, guide me to victory. For Doomhammer.
A little bit rough for an opening hand.
The calm before the storm.
If they don't do anything, I could even just play this guy next turn. Well, well, well. Guess we're getting some nostalgia value.
Take shelter.
Dethrone our
Bet they were not expecting that.
For the puppet master.
Oh, it's like some combo deck.
We all exist in harmony.
How much damage is this? 11, 20. I need 5 damage.
Break yourself.
Oh wait.
I bestow these gifts upon the world.
Of course.
Magic of life.
There is little time. Break yourself. Magic and wind at work.
I bestow these gifts upon the world.
Interesting.
Time waits for no one.
Wild life, nature.
Oh, wow.
Under my care. The beauty
This is actually
of
kind of
nature.
cool.
A small mistake.
Oh. They didn't get it? I think I have it.
Everything will be swept away. Blown away. Blown away. Break yourself.
You know, you had a cool Vexer, but it just wasn't enough.